Hi, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I'm posting the trading ideas on forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks and on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my previous idea of Chainlink US dollar, and this was the idea, Link US dollar, I posted a 2-day chart where the Chainlink formed a bullish butterfly pattern, and you can see after initial leg the A to B leg is retraced almost up to 0.786 Fibonacci as required for the bullish butterfly pattern, and B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci, and C to D the final leg is retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. When I posted the idea on 31st of August, the price action was already entered in the potential reversal zone, and when I'll play the idea, then you can see the price action completely entered in the potential reversal zone, and after taking the bullish divergence, the price action hit the sell zone and produced more than 35% profit, and again the price action is dropped. Now the price action has formed another harmonic pattern, and I have just published this chart few hours back, and this is 12-hour chart, and on this chart you can see the price action has formed a bullish shark pattern on this 12-hour short time period chart, and you can see the price action is almost entered in the potential reversal zone. So far the price action has just hit the spike in the potential reversal zone, but I'm expecting that the price action will soon enter in the potential reversal zone completely. And if we see the volume profile, I've placed the volume profile on the complete price action of this pattern, then we can see the traders' interest is very low within the potential reversal zone. The MACD is strong bearish, and the stochastic is almost oversold but did not give any bull cross so far. So we can wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish or for the stochastic to give the bull cross, and after that we can take the long position or buy. And if we see the price action, then we can see the price action has formed a complete shark pattern with all required dimensions except this spike. I've just ignored this spike. After X to A leg, the initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 618 Fibonacci, and B to C leg is retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. I've just ignored this spike, and after B to C leg, the final C to D leg is retraced between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci as required for the final leg of shark. So I'm expecting that the price action will take the bullish divergence from here, and again it will hit the sell zone. And you can see this is my sell zone and this is my buying range, and you can find also these targets here in the chart description. So this trade, this short-term time period trade, can give us up to 29% profit. And I'm also sharing the link of Tradingview in the chart description. You just need to click on the Tradingview's link, and after, when you will be on the Tradingview's link, you just need to select this people option, and after selecting this option you just need to write in search bar Moon333, and after that you need to click on this link. This is my portal's link, and when you'll be on my portal you can follow my any chart from here, my all charts available here, and you can find my this Link US dollar chart on the front page. And if you don't have any account on any crypto exchange to start your crypto trading business, then I'm also sharing the best crypto exchange link in the video's description, that is Binance, which has the largest trade volume of almost every cryptocurrency. You can click on the link and create your account and start your crypto trading business today. Thank you so much again guys for watching the complete video. I will be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. If you like the video, then do hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.